just think Why Readers is one of those programs that you are especially blessed at your school if you have it. You have teachers who are excited about being in the program. You have families who have had a younger sibling who needs it. So they're seeking something for some support, and you get to see how those students grow throughout the year. So they started in it in kindergarten, and now they're 3rd and 4th graders who are now on the honor roll when before they were a year behind. So I think it helps develop them as a total student, but it also gives them that excitement and that academic achievement. I think there are some students who are very shy, and that participating in Why Readers over the summer in smaller groups allows them to blossom and to be more confident. I also feel like it just gives them that overall feeling of school is fun. And school is a place that I can learn and enjoy myself. So, you know, hey, why not bring in something over the summer? And it makes them also feel special because you have to be selected, and not everybody gets selected to be a part of Why Readers.